Carding is when you take the roving and you sort of brush it out, and it helps make everything uniform and nice and fluffy to get started. That's how you actually take the unprocessed wool and make it into your nice fluffy roving like we have here. Now, companies will use industrial carders that are much larger than this, but when we're working with just small needle felted items, a little brush is just fine. What's really great about this is it is a dog brush that is self-cleaning, and when I push this button on the back, it raises the plate and that gets the roving right off. It's called a slicker brush, and it has very skinny tines that are slightly angled. Of course, there are many different brands. One thing that I like about this one in particular is that the button raises and lowers the bristles themselves, and that helps to keep them from getting damaged during storage. You can use yarn and card it so that way you can get specific colors for your roving. Now, this yarn is a mixture of acrylic, wool, and nylon. So usually, like I said before, our roving, this is 100% wool. So absolutely from a sheep. The acrylic is synthetic. You will take your length of yarn, match up the ends, fold it in half, and then you're going to fold it in half a couple times. Try to get it even. And this is a pretty good length here. If I did any shorter, it would be very hard to hold. So I'm gonna go ahead here, cut the ends, so that way everything is the same length. And I need to hold near the end and wrap it around my finger because it's about to get tugged a lot. And I want to flatten out these. And all you're going to do is take your brush, starting at the very, very end, and start brushing that out. You'll want to remove the buildup of fluff on your brush and then keep going. Once you've brushed out that side, you turn it around and hold the fluffy end and brush out the other side. Once you have everything carded and it's nice fluffy roving, you can pull on the strands a bit to get them the same length and have everything laying all in the same direction neatly. Then you're ready to start felting.